Duncan Mighty, Port Harcourt first son, wey name Mighty, na name be that. And una know I'm a musician. I don't think so because I don't remember the last time we ever hear a song. Yes, he don't come outside, come talk say him wife cheat on am. Say the DNA test where they, because they get one daughter. Say the DNA test come talk say he no be the father. My people gbese dey o. And before the DNA, something happened. Hey, he called the wife. His wife name na Vivian. He called the wife people. Say they get meeting because he don't see say they plan to kill her. They plan to destroy his life and take all in property. He can call them. And 11 months after, my people, now they give birth to this beautiful baby girl. Oh. And the wife and two of the wife friend, they say now they be best friend. One name na Frank, one name na Bright. They say now two of them come carry, they use 1 million naira. 1 million naira they use and do shrine. The shrine are for waiting. I go tell una. They say the main purpose of the shrine now make they remove Duncan Mighty powers. Yes, and that shrine, anything where they do, nobody go know, especially if people they search spiritually. You know when people want find out, say okay, wetin dey happen. They say no be their face when I go they see. Say they go they see another person face. My people, no be small matter. Make a shock una now. As they do the shrine finish, they can't start the juju. Instead of make the juju, they work for wetin they plan for. Una no even know. They suppose they sleep with the wife. These two boys where I mentioned, Bright and Frank, they suppose they sleep with Duncan Mighty wife so that the juju go work. Now the agreement be that. As they sleep with the woman, instead of make the juju they work, the woman gon carry belle. Hey, wahala dey. She can't carry belle now. After how many? After how many months? Wait, time don't go. Now Duncan Mighty they can't find out say the sperm went enter in wife. No be in sperm. See heartbreak. When they tell una say pray before una find wife, una know the year. Una don't see am. Now the repercussion be this. You know, see celebrities, they like celebrity. Before you go see celebrity, we find wife, correct wife, if they hard. No, I'm not insult anybody. I just dey talk because every night and day na club. No, how you dey think of to get better wife when you dey go club every day? Una don't see am. No, una go dey insult pastors when they talk. Now una don't see am. Hey, abeg. See, all of una way, you na remember say this girl post for internet. Say Duncan Mighty they kill me, Duncan Mighty they beat me, na woman beater. All of una attack Duncan Mighty. Okay? Now I want make una come do the same thing. Imagine the sufferness. Where you don't train person pikin, where you think say na your pikin for how many months? You know how much be baby food? You know how much be pampers? Now, he just can't discover. No, some women wicked. No, some women just wicked. Because before, I the one that say, when this matter reach me, I say, how Duncan Mighty be important? No, my people, na question I just they ask. Because for this woman to go and get, Duncan Mighty look strong now. He look like a person go the fire, you understand? So now, two people come put seed for person wife belle. The seed don't germinate, and now I don't even know who can't get the pregnancy now. Be like say from the waist downwards go be for Frank, then from the waist upward go be for Bright. I be my people because now two of them poor am now. Now they say Duncan Mighty just be sponsor. He just they take care of the pikin. They don't help and fire him. No, but this thing sabi pain no. I just imagine the kind thing with but some people now they talk say because you know they do music again. So you don't bring this matter online so that I go give her money. No, I don't know how now they think sometimes. This one a serious matter. Because now, okay, I imagine the girl and the family. That shrine, see, Duncan Mighty, I don't say they hear me. You see that shrine where they spend 1 million to go do. If I be you, I go. In fact, if not to sell part by part, collect that money, at least na the compensation where you go get. You know what to be 1 million? You use 1 million naira do shrine. Who you be? Now wow, my people. Now the matter where they Port Harcourt and the thing they very very hot. And they tell una Duncan Mighty they inside very serious hot soup. My people, Regina Daniels fans don't come outside. They don't vex. Now they protest, they carry cardboard, all those things. They write things on top. They say make Ned Uoko no marry any other wife after Regina Daniels. Now the protest where they go around with this, my people everywhere hot. And this thing as they talk to me like this, if they happen for Port Harcourt, those people they don't vex. I beg before I go continue because my blood too they hot. I beg I won't make una see am with una eyes, within the shell.
Ned Woko must not marry another wife. Oh. We be Regina Daniels, Regina Daniels fan. Nigeria, you must hear us. Ned Woko must not marry another wife. Ned Woko must not marry another wife. I say Ned Woko, we are hearing that he's planning to marry more wives. He cannot marry more wives. Ned Woko, if you watch this video, you are hearing us. We are Regina Daniels fans.
Joblessness in highest order. For now under this hot sun, una dey imagine how the sun dey hot. Now these people decide say they come outside, come protest. When I first hear the noise, I been they think say okay now one kind better thing. I don't know say na Ned Woko matter they don't come bring outside. Now this thing that they call joblessness where they lead to depression. I dey tell una, and if una no dey careful, you go so enter madness. I dey tell una, and now una go dey insult President Buhari. Oga President, say they insult youth, they call youth jobless. No, the thing wey una dey do now, they show say una get job. No be joblessness be this. If only una get sense, una at least go look for wetin una could do wey go dey bring una money. This one sef, I no go even dey surprised. Say Regina Daniels mama dey involved. I no go dey surprised because even get one video where two of them do. They insult, they fight. What be her name? Chikaike. Serious one, no. Because and I know say this woman, she ready to go any length. As long as say Ned no go bring another woman. No be just about Chikaike. And they show say this woman go even enter spiritual level. I dey tell you, but wetin she no know be say before Regina, other ones don't dey. So I don't see why you dey protect the body because another person go enter. Your pikin meet another person. I better me put this slay queen picture. You now you just dey shout, leave my husband, leave my husband, leave my husband. You fit manufacture husband. You know how they make husband. Just dey there they talk. Make I tell you something. Chikaike no be your mate. Hope say you dey hear me. Open your ear. She no be your mate. Oh, the fact say una don dey share gundus. You know me say she be your mate. You understand? I no even blame yourself. Now your mama will carry you, put inside this road where you dey. Now why you don't dey feel say you dey on top of the world? Now wow. For una wey dey protest, if una no waiting good for una, at least una still get time. Una go just drop all those things wey una dey hold. Go look for better thing wey una fit do with una time. See NSAS protest. They still need protesters, make them join. Una no know wetin una go do, which kind of protest una suppose protest with all the things wey kasala wey full for Nigeria now. Una no go join people wey dey stand for their rights. Una dey follow Regina and Ned dey protest. Now una money Ned dey use marry woman. I been come beg una say you no get money, say you wan marry. Wetin concern Nigeria with how many wives man wan marry? Nigeria get important things to face. Make una better get sense. So because it be like say this Nigeria son, you don't dey affect una head. So una just dey there dey waste una time. Make una better go find job to do. If una no get job, go sit down, sleep for your house. Una just dey there dey make plenty noise. I be my people. I talk good, I talk bad, because I don't understand. Imagine protest. I beg you, NSAS, go carry these people. They need you now. Join them. Now, no see this lady as she stand for her right. Wetin be her name? Yesufu. Na person like that we need. Assuming all of una we gather there, use that energy. Go join NSAS protest. If na for add value to Nigeria. They waste on our time. I bet my people no time. Now the matter be this. So Aproko Regina Daniels, I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Number 7 go come, Abi no go come. What you think? Drop her for the comment section. And don't forget, share this video, make it go viral. You understand? And click on that subscribe button if you never subscribe.